Now, Rust is not for everyone, but if you want to work close to the metal and build things that last, it's a very strong long-term bet. Now, Rust has now been one of the most admired programming languages in the Stack Overflow survey for multiple years in a row. Roughly 70% of developers say that they want to work with Rust even if they're not currently using it. Now, that gap between admiration and usage is important because, yes, a lot of people want to use it, but they're not currently using it. Now, that means that the Rust adoption is still early, but when it is adopted, it's highly intentional and useful. Now, Rust shows up in systems programming, security-sensitive software, blockchain, low-level infrastructure, performance-critical services, and companies that adopt Rust do it very intentionally. It's never by accident. And they adopt it because of things like memory bugs, security vulnerabilities, undefined behavior in production, and that's because Rust handles all of those things very well. Now, from the AI angle, Rust is also one of the hardest languages for AI to fake competence in. Its strictness forces understanding ownership, understanding memory, understanding correctness, and it makes it so that if you're a strong Rust developer, you cannot as easily be replaced by an AI. Now, Rust is not for everyone, but if you want to work close to the metal and build things that last, it's a very strong long-term bet. It's still early today, but it's trending towards more usage, and Rust developers just love using the language. So I would bet that in the future, we're going to see more and more demand, and that if you were to learn Rust now, you wouldn't regret it a few years from now.